Let me show you how to create this simple mask effect in Photoshop. Open your photo in Photoshop. Make sure it is unlocked. Now go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to paste the man in a new layer without the background. Now write your number. Here is the font that I am using. We want to mask these parts here to make it look more interesting. Drag this layer on top. Add a layer mask. Choose the brush tool. Choose the hard round brush. Set the opacity and the flow to 100%. Set the foreground color to black. Hold Ctrl and click on the text layer here to select the pixels. Follow this process. Go to Select and choose Deselect. Now we want to add some shadows here to make it look more real. Create a new layer over the text layer. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Let's choose a dark orange color. Choose a soft round brush. Reduce the flow. Follow this process. The brush effect will only be seen on the text, cause the layer is clipped to it. Now let's add a shadow here. Create a new layer on top of the layers. Follow this process. Hold Ctrl and click here to select the pixels. Press Delete. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Press Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge all layers. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Follow this process. Here's the before, here's the after. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below if you have any question.